Selling in the UK? Don't get caught out. Here's what you need to know about UK VAT. Hi, I'm Richard Kupchak, co-founder and CEO of Safari Star. In this video, I'll walk you through the key VAT requirements in the UK. Whether you're a local business, an EU seller, or a non-EU seller. VAT, or value-added tax, was first introduced in the UK in 1973, replacing the purchase tax. The standard VAT rate today is 20%. Reduced VAT rates apply in certain cases, 5% on items like home energy and 0% on essentials like food and children's clothing. So who needs to register? Well, if you're a UK-based business, you must register if your taxable turnover exceeds £90,000 in a rolling 12-month period. EU and non-EU businesses must register immediately if they are storing goods in the UK or selling directly to UK customers via online marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. There is no registration threshold for non-established businesses. Registration is required from the first taxable sale. Unlike some EU countries, the UK does not require a fiscal representative for non-UK based businesses. However, you can still appoint a UK tax agent or an accountant to manage your VAT compliance on your behalf. To register, you typically need the following: business incorporation documents, proof of trading activities like invoices, contracts, marketplace agreements, and identity documents for directors or business owners. The registration process usually takes 2 to 4 weeks, however, it can take longer if there are additional queries from HMRC. Once approved, you will receive the VAT registration certificate with your VAT number. Once registered, most businesses file VAT returns quarterly, though some may file monthly or annually. Returns are submitted electronically through the Make Tax Digital software. Failure to register or late registration can lead to backdated VAT bills, interest, and penalties. Penalties can range from 5% to 15% of the unpaid VAT, plus potential fines for continued non-compliance. Non-compliance can also result in being blocked from selling on online marketplaces, which is a major risk for cross-border sellers. So to recap, VAT in UK applies broadly to both local and overseas sellers. Registration rules depend on where your business is established, and the compliance requires timely registration, proper record keeping, and quarterly filing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the content useful. Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more updates on VAT and international compliance.